Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me so many views, so many likes. So thank you guys, I really appreciate that, and I'm going to continue to do the same tasks and continue to shoot such videos for your information at such scenic locations like these. Now in this short video, what I wanted to check with each one of you traders or investors here right now is, guys, do you think that the moment you invest in a particular stock, that stock goes down? Or when you try to do some kind of a long term investment into a stock, let's say keeping a scenario of, let's say maybe 3 months, 6 months, 9 months down the line, the moment you purchase that stock, do you observe that from the point that you have purchased it, it is either going down or it is going into a consolidation mode? Have you experienced that? I'm pretty sure that if not most of you, few of you might have already experienced this. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, and I would like to come up with a video to help you understand why this happens. Or see, nobody is going to stop us. You all, or we all know the fact that nobody can stop us, stop this from happening. I'm sorry. But what we can do is we can avoid taking the entry at a particular point and then save our bucks or invest it into some other type of script. So guys, if you have really faced this problem, let me know in the comment section. I am surely going to come up with a video based on your inputs and your comments. So guys, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching me again. Bye for now.